This literature kit on Touching Spirit Bear by Ben Michelson provides a framework to facilitate learning through discussion and comprehension. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Put events in order as they happen when Cole encounters the spirit bear. Get into Cole's dad's shoes and imagine his perspective on their relationship. Find the best synonym for words used in the chapters. Imagine how you can set yourself up for success by practicing good habits. Describe what being invisible will require Cole to do. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as creating a camp log for Cole, detailing all the jobs he must accomplish in a day. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Design a food chain to show the connections between plants and animals. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.